There are many tests to choose from. I actually have more tests in my office than I do online. It's really better to make a nutrition interview so that we can discuss really what's going on with you. And in the interview, we go over your questionnaires, and I can give you some suggestions on what tests would really apply to you. And if we need to have your doctor do some tests, we can go over that as well. Now, are the tests useful? I find the tests are wonderfully informative. They save you time and money. Are the tests 100% accurate? You know what? I wish I could say yes, but I can't. No test is 100% accurate. And let me give you an example. The parasite test, the 401HB, that is a test that's actually a 4-day test. It gives you 5 samples. Would it be better to do a test for the whole month? Absolutely. You'd find even more things going on. You'd find more parasites most likely. So it'd be better to do a month, but because of the cost of it, it's just not really possible to do something like that. So the 4-day test is still a good one. If it comes back negative, does that mean you don't have something, or does that mean that we just didn't get it in the sample? Well, it's a possibility. It's hard to know. And this is why sometimes if that happens down the road, another few months, I usually do these around the full moon, we might want to test again. Now, to start on the testing, this is what I would suggest to do. Online, you can order these. There's the ASI, which is the Adrenal Stress Index, and again, the one I just discussed, which is the 401HB. These are very easy to do. The only thing that you'd have to consider here is there is a fee for the nutrition consultation to discuss the results of the test. Now, to find out more about how to prepare for the tests and things, what I'd like you to do is read a little bit more on my website. So what you would do is go under Nutrition and Weight Management, and you would click on the Useful Tests section. And in there it's going to explain in much more detail how to take the tests and what test would be good to use, things like that. So anyways, again, I hope I gave you a lot more food for thought, a lot of things to think about. And again, I'm here for you. If you have a question, you want to make an appointment, please feel free to do that. Thank you so much.